Ready to find the world's top freelance talent for your next project? Let's dive into how to hire the best freelancers on Toptal, a platform known for its rigorous screening process and top-tier talent first. Head to the Toptal website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, focus on the Hire Freelancers section. This is where the magic begins. Next, it's time to refine your search. Utilize the platform's powerful filter options. Begin by specifying the skills your project demands. Are you looking for a software engineer, a UI, UX designer, or perhaps a financial analyst? Select the relevant skill set from the available options to narrow down your search. Then, to filter for the best, specify the experience level that fits your project requirements, selecting from options like junior, mid-level, and senior. This ensures you're connecting with talent that matches your project's needs. Don't forget to filter by availability. This is critical for scheduling and deadlines. You can also review the rates of the freelancers. Browse the profiles that match your preferred skills, levels, experience, and of course, availability. Each profile offers detailed information about a freelancer's expertise, experience, and previous project. Take your time to review their portfolio and client feedback. Ready to get started? Click Start Project to begin. Describe your project in detail. Clearly outlining your project requirements will attract the most relevant freelancers and help them understand the scope of work. Once you submit the project description, Toptal will connect you with the perfect talent. With Toptal, you're accessing a network of the top 3% of freelance talent. Get ready to launch your project with confidence. But